Bullish Uniswap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $25 and $54.44 by 2030. Market investigators accept Uni could reach $25 by 2025. Bearish Uniswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $4.44. Uniswap presentation. In 2021, digital currency brokers cherished the Uniswap coin, which saw critical benefits all through its short presence. Be that as it may, as 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade token saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a huge achievement in May 2022. Complete exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion imprint, despite the terrible exhibition of its local coin. What future possibilities could we at any point predict for Uni? Go along with us underneath as we analyze the cost expectation for the Uni token throughout the following couple of years to keep awake to date on every one of the latest insights and projections for this out-of-the-blue famous cryptographic money. What is Uniswap? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, had its true send-off. The stage, a decentralized application based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the transformation of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to support them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet are the essential drivers. The clients additionally have unlimited authority over their confidential keys. The Uniswap's connection point was more straightforward to use than those of the other DES. Accordingly, it is just a computerized market creator utilizing open source code. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with smooth and straightforward exchange along these lines. The AMM system is the underpinning of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is delivered. A commission of 0.3% is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool's save account. Each commission is paid out to Uni holders at a pace of 0.05%. with the excess 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers. In spite of the fact that Uniswap isn't the principal task to utilize AMM, it did enormously advance this line of exploration, which prompted the rise of extra conventions with a comparable design. Uniswap Principal Investigation. Hayden Adams laid out the decentralized trade Uniswap in November 2018. Two savvy gets that are housed on the Ethereum blockchain in addition to a public open source front-end client make up the convention. It is a completely on-chain market producer that empowers the transformation of ETH to ERC20 tokens as well as the other way around. Then again, in the event that Uni doesn't zero in on unambiguous headways, the cost could decline. All things considered, in the event that the computerized resource doesn't answer market sentiments, we might expect regular significant levels. Uniswap Specialized Investigation. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development has been explanatory, similar as the entire digital currency market, considering that Uniswap is delivering the third variant. The rate rise is expected. The people that deal with the Uniswap Specialized Investigation through the TradingView stage accept that Uni token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary forms this late spring. They guarantee that financial backers currently get a 3x benefit. Exceptionally bullish, then, Uniswap current cost. Uniswap is right now worth $5.56 USD. Uni has moved 7.08% as of now with an exchanging volume of $266,840,777. Uniswap is right now positioned 17 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $4,234,516,260 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Uniswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Uniswap Value Expectation 2022. Uniswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Uni cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $8.33. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $7.78 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Uni is supposed to have a base worth of $6.67. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Uniswap Uni cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Uni will before long outperform $13.89. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Uni's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Uni will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $11.11 and a typical exchanging cost of $12.22. Uniswap Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $19.44 and Uni might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Uni is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $17.78 and a low of $16.67 in 2024. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Uniswap effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Uni coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Uni will be green in 2025. The Uni is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $25, with a base cost of $22.22 and a typical cost of $23.33. Uniswap Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Uni cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $28.89 by 2026, with a base cost of $27.78 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Uni has a greatest value worth of $30.56. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $34.44. On the off chance that Uni figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $36.11. Neglecting to assemble the help Uni needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $33.33. Uniswap Value Forecast 2028. While Uni is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $38.89 and a yearly cost close above $41.67 in 2028. Uniswap Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Uniswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $44.44 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $47.22. Averaging out at $45.56. Uniswap Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Uni cost in 2030 is projected to be $54.44 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $52.